On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang, let's go, baby. What is going on? My God, it's been a while. What is going on? Let's see some otters in the chat, baby. Let's go. Good morning. What is going on? Bitcoin, dump, pump. Did I miss much? You guys seem to be doing all right. You guys are all up, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's say good morning. What is going on? My God. Live chat, baby. Live chat. What's going on? Good morning. How we all doing? We're back. Otters. Already with the banter. Blue light glasses like Geo if you've had a bunch of neon lights for streaming. Oh, yeah. You're great. Good to see you, Karim. Kodak, good morning. Duality, Jack, Chantel, good to see you back as well. Nadim. Wow. So, pump, dump. Did I miss much? I mean, if we go back in time, we haven't missed much, have we? I mean, if we go back all the way, wouldn't it? I went on break. Where? Here, Wednesday. Shows you how much I've missed. There you go. We are up from Wednesday. I mean, Wednesday finished up here. So we've literally gone sideways. Wild. So we've done a lot of this, and now we're back here. We'll see what we get anyways. VWAP slap, continuation, VWAP slap, continuation. I got a little surprise for you guys here. I don't know. We'll see if you've been well behaved. Solana. Yeah, higher highs, higher lows. How about that oil problem, man? Expensive. What's going on, Nadim? Good morning. Alexander G. I missed you too. Smash the like, subscribe if you're new. Welcome. Yeah, all that stuff. I'm surprised if anyone shows up today. But grateful for you guys, obviously. Philly Skills, my dog. What's going on? Jake Dorton, welcome back. Vacation and good morning. Good morning, man. Miss Anthropic, I missed you too. Thank you for being here. Good to see you. Mob the Great, good afternoon. How you doing, bro? Isaac, SMRN, DMs, guys. I never know what to call you, man. I'm going to just call you Guy. Ivan, Kodak, what's going on? Never late, that is dedication. My one superpower is that I do show up every time. It was actually, I was late once last year, which was unlike me. Which was very unlike me. So, higher highs, higher lows, where are we going to go? Trigger wave, 12-minute, trying to push up. Nice balloon dog here. Sweep of the low. Continuation up here on Bitcoin. Back into the range. Trying to rotate up. Sell wall given an advance last night. Guys, I was still charting for the gang. Okay, we gave this sell wall here. Okay. So we'll see if we can get up and get going here. NASDAQ coming into a major buy level last night. Gapping down extremely aggressively here and looking to fill this gap here on the NASDAQ. We'll see if that wants to continue up. The SPY started down 2%. Okay. And now has since recovered a little bit. So we'll see how we go this morning. It's going to be an interesting opening. It's going to be I would think volatile. It was down 2%. Now it's down 1%. I left at the perfect time, guys. Volatility, crazy price action, choppy. Shriyan, good to see you. Keen Bean, what's going on? Kodak, good to see you as well. Grayson, good morning, good to see you. Thank you for being here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We all saying good morning? Hulk Smash, how you doing, bro? How to for YouTubers. Good morning. Good to see you, big boss. Otters. Army Piper in the chat. I heard you're not streaming today, Army. What's going on, bro? I come back and then you leave? Is this like rotation or what? Crypto FA, Troll Games, Curtis Hill. Good morning. Eric, good to see you, man. How you doing? Deborah, how you been? Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Oh, man. I didn't miss much. It's a shame. It is the same. I mean, I left. It was a joke, like, in the Discord. Like, I left and we went to Valhalla. Like, really, like, if we go back to Wednesday, wherever it is, I think it's over here. We left here. I mean, then it goes to here. We gave the long from here in the Discord, though. Or was it here? It was one of these double bottoms. It was incredible. So I was able to even spoon feed on the vacation, which was pretty awesome. Rolling over here, continuation up. Yeah, we'll see here. We'll do a top-down analysis. This is going to be Army Piper must be getting like an economic data boner for this week. He's there it is. I'm already back to boners, guys. Sorry about that. You guys really must have missed me. Got core inflation, existing homes, building permits, unemployment, core PCE, GDEPI. GDEPI, that's the Italian GDP. JOLTS, personal income. And then for my birthday, guys, March 18th, we got FOMC. Incredible. So, strap in is all I gotta say. Strap in. I'm glad I'm back because typically markets like this are hard to navigate. That's why it's nice to be back to help the community navigate the Gong Show, which is the market right now. Oil, U.S. oil spiking to 108 right now. Is there any oil that you look at, Piper? United States Oil Fund. I got Occidental Petroleum Corp. I got SL I got ExxonMobil. Is there anything that you typically watch, Piper? I was wondering. I was going to ask you this morning of any tickers that you watch for oil that you would suggest. I have a bunch, but I'm sure you got the secret sauce that you're willing to share with me, hopefully. U.S. oil. Just straight up U.S. oil? Which one are we going here, man? You gonna send me the ticker or what? They have U.S. oil on MexC. Of course they do. MexC is such a scam. That's wild. I mean, if you want cheap fees, I do have a link for MexC, but I always suggest Bitunix, and we do have an extension on the Bitunix deal for everybody. If you do want to use that code, it's there for you. I pinned it to the comments. Good times. CL1 exclamation mark. Why can't I add it? I must already have it. I can't add it to the chart though. Oh my god. This is going to be fun. Okay. It won't let me add it to the chart. Maybe I'm just new. Interesting. There's no plus button. Oh well, we're prepared. Greets from Germany. Good to see you, Mr. Siemens. Thank you for being here. Dankeschön. I'm an otter, you're an otter, we're an otter too. If you're an otter, then they're an otter. He's an otter, she's an otter, and an otter too. What's going on? Why is MexC a scam? I wouldn't say it's a scam. I would just say that it's because of the low fees. And I do have a link for MexC. Because of the low fees, I've had issues with them with slippage with it going out. There's one case where I had a stop loss where I was trying to get stopped out, and it wouldn't let me get stopped out. And instead of losing $1,000, I lost $5,000, and then they gave me $10 back. After all was said and done, so it was a little bit of a piss off. We'll put it that way. Climbing up here. Breaking the high here. Continuation trade down below here. See if we want to continue up. Soy Boy Lana trying to push his wall. Holding VWAP. Trying to go. We'll see. What's going on, FJ? Good to see you, bro. Army Piper. Daylight savings starts today. Yeah, it's an earlier day for sure. Core CPI. Core PPI. Yeah, it's going to be an interesting one. Spoons in the chat. What's going on, JR? Good to see you, bro. How you doing? Curtis Hill, good morning. Grayson, good morning. JR, let's go, baby. John K, how you doing, bro? Good to see you, Thomas. The Indian market is down? I would, yeah, I mean, Middle East, India. I mean, India is heavily dependent on that oil, right? Same with Southeast Asia, right? You driving home? Nice, Piper Jacks Trades. Good to see you, JDM Kids. Good morning, man. Owen Johnson, check oil. Yeah, we got oil here. Why is it not? Like, it's not letting me add it. There we go. There we go. Now we're good. All right. Nice pushback here. Money bag call. Doji engulfing. Continuation. See if we push up here. I'm bearish, but I'm also like, man, if everybody's bearish, why are we bearish, right? It's a interesting place to be. If you're bearish and I'm bearish, obviously, we got 200 people in here. If you guys wouldn't mind, I haven't been here for a while. I lost 10 subscribers. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button, that would be very much appreciated. I would appreciate the support from you guys. I wonder how many people have gone live now instead of me. Who have you guys been watching? Let me know in the chat. Have you guys been watching people, or are you just loyal to the coil and you've only been here with me? I'm sure there's some people you guys are watching. I saw Jason Casper going live. I saw I think Gio went live. I mean, I was on vacation, so I mean, it's been a nice step back, really, to see to get some perspective on the market, where we're at, what we're looking for. What's going on, Kodak? Good to see you. Dusty took a break. Good man. Good man. Is this a head and shoulders pattern? No. D-Block Cypher. Never heard of that person. Okay. Brewberry. I mean, amazing person and trader. Trades by Matt. Let's go, baby. That's my man crush Monday, I guess you would say. Lifer. Brewberry. Nice, man. I've been running bots instead of scalping since you've been gone. Nice, Nick. How's that working out for you? Is the bots good? How's your indicator working out? I have been in the trenches. Well, I mean, because I've been on vacation and I've been at a stay-home vacation, I've been coding, gaming, hanging out with the family. We went, we had some nice day trips. We took my son to the zoo. He loved it. I mean, you're from India and you can vibe code? Let's go, baby. Dave Digital. You got some thumbnails for me? NW, good to see you, man. P Mall, let's go, man. He's at P Mall, guys. If you don't know Pacific Mall, you go to Toronto and go to Pacific Mall. You'll see. He knows. I know exactly what he's talking about. MexC High Alert, yeah. How was my holidays? It was incredible. I mean, I've been going 4 years straight, streaming, trading, teaching, right? I mean, it's been a grind. It's been a grind. So for me, it's like, it was nice to step away and get some time with the family, some time for myself. It's very important to take the blinders off, as I've realized. It's not, trading is high intensity, stressful, right? So, I mean, and then running the community, giving setups, all that stuff. It's a lot, man. It's a lot. Raise the top one. Nice. How's it going? Greets from Germany. Good to see you, man. Bitcoin is not a punk ass. Well, it front ran the VWAP here, so I think it's a little bit of a punk ass. What's up, French Toaster from India? Good to see you, bro. Let's see some roller skates in the chat for French Toaster and his punk ass from India. You know, I think 20% of this channel is, you know, people watch from India. So welcome, India. God bless you. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day over there as well. I watched Art of Crypto. Let's go. Mr. JR. Trades by Matt. Brewberry. Crypto Lifer. Mitch Ray. JR. D-Block. Who's this D-Block guy? I guess I gotta look up D-Block Cypher. D-Block Cypher? Is he D-Block Cypher? The Cypher by D-Block. Is this him here? Interesting. We'll see. Good morning, Otter Gang. Gang. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Nice push up here. D-Block is the GOAT. He's the greatest of all time. Does he show the trades, take the trades? I love that stuff, man. I love transparency and people just, you know, keeping it real. Showing the trades, taking the trades live here every morning. 170 people in here. Thank you guys for being here. 71 likes. Just catching up with the gang here. I'm waiting for a short. That's smart. He's really technical and knows that his stuff. That's good, man. Taking the trades, showing the trades. That's the one, man. That's the one, Dave. AlexOCrypto. I mean, it is forming. Is it forming? I mean, your neckline is pretty skewed here, right? Like if you're looking for a head and shoulders, your neckline, you would want this descending. So you would have wanted this thing to come down and kind of sweep the low here and then rolling over. However, higher lows continuation right now, so we'll see where we get to. Looking half decent though, pushing up here. Trigger wave to the upside, trigger wave to the upside. So even with the bear divs, 3 drives. So I would look more at this 3 drives here. So possible rotation down, but would like to see the mitigation of the low right now. So this just looks like continuation to me and a bit of a recovery. So not bad. Liquidity clearly in these highs to come and take. So I will change this a little bit in here. Liquidity, resistance. So we'll see where we get to here. Sporadic price action. I'm going to obviously take my time coming back here. Probably quarter position size to start. But, you know, just for me, it's important for me to be visually seeing the way the price is moving right now, right? I can see it, but I'm not seeing it live, right? So I can see how we've just grinded and chopped down, swept, and then grinded all the way back up. Order block, retest of order block, continuation up, but chop, right? I see the chop. I see the way the market's moving right now. It's not my favorite type of price action because, you know, if you're not paying yourself into this, right, there's a very high chance for like this kind of move that just comes back and grabs you. So I'm aware of that. Even last night when, you know, I gave the warning sign to the Discord after that rollover, because that's when the NASDAQ opened, right? And we can see here the grind and then the follow through. So interesting. For me, it's gonna be closely watching how the NASDAQ and oil behaves today, and then obviously the gap for like big gap down for the ES, right, and then a recovery. So it's like when we go over to the SPY for this morning, right? Are we, you know, if we're gonna gap down, right? Is it a 1% gap or is it that 2% gap, right? So 1% gap brings us all the way down to here. I believe 67 is a pretty critical support level. Yeah. That's why there's a blue line there. So we could easily rotate down to 66, which is scary, in my opinion. But that's going to be up to the market, especially with all this uncertainty in it, right? So if this, then that, how it behaves is going to be. It's going to be fun, man. It's going to be fun. It's good. Up, down, all around. Who cares, right? We're here to make money and kick ass, take names, take trades. High probability setups. Continuation here. Yeah. We are coming into like a little golden pocket here, so we'll see if we do get a little bit of resistance in this area here. Order block, liquidity of the highs here, so naturally resistance here. So this is where I would typically look for a minimum retracement for continuation, but we'll see what we get. Trigger wave on the 12-minute, pushing up, looking strong. Yeah, patience here. Good to be back, guys, man. It's good to be back. Yes, they are good, but with Alex, you know, it is every day. I have never seen more dedication. Thank you, Kodak. I will always show up, man. That's my one superpower, I guess. I will show up. I will take the trades. I'll show you the trades. I'll try to keep you guys as prepared as possible. I'm glad you guys have done well, though. This is good. Like, up 41% of you guys are up, so it means you guys are, you guys are doing all right, which is good. Above 40 is typically good. If you're break even or you're getting wrecked, there's ways to change that. And if you're down, well, we'll figure that out too. I mean, we'll figure it all out. You need to take time for yourself and your family. Yeah, absolutely. No, absolutely. It's so important. Family is everything, right? I'm waiting for short. Andy is ABC 123. Let's go, baby. Swing short on pitchfork scalp. Let's go, Curtis Hill. Too low. I really like Jake. He was a good shout, Alex. The lack of respect of the Fibonacci levels has been irritating. That's that's been an interesting thing. Like, we've had a couple of Fibonacci golden pockets. Even the macro ones have been getting rejected or like blown right through. And that's a lot to do with, the conditions of the market, right? Like, if the fibs aren't working, got to look at what is working, right? You make those adjustments. Maybe it's order blocks, liquidity. I've seen liquidity working really well. Price action has been a good tell in general. But it's definitely, it can be irritating when your strategy starts to get ran through due to conditions, right? Oil, wartime price actions. Very, I describe it as highlighter price action, right? When you want to see regular price action that moves, but then price is moving, but it's pretty thick, right? You get this thickness to it where prices get in here, but it's taking its damn time. It's very choppy on the way there, right? Same with this move here, right? Very choppy on the way up, very choppy on the way down. And then you're getting these bursts where you're getting, the sporadic burst here, sporadic burst here, sporadic burst here and here, right? So even here, right? Like, you get these blow offs and then the big liquidation, right? Coming back down. So, I mean, we're a bit late for this one here. However, we wait here. Getting a little warning sign that we could be crossing back down here. Bit of patience here. Taking the trades, showing the trades, guys. Ready to go as usual. We'll see how we get going. I haven't traded. I literally have not traded since. I mean, if I show you guys, I don't even know what the P&L thing looks like right now. I haven't traded since what? 02/24. So I haven't traded since the 24th. I haven't taken a trade. I can't go any higher or lower, right? I haven't traded since the 24th here, guys. See, I actually took a vacation, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy for me. My wife is so proud of me. She was like, I can't believe you didn't take a fucking trade the whole holiday. And I'm like, yeah, girl. I promised her I wouldn't. My wife is my world. And I promised her I wouldn't, so I didn't do it. Oh, man. Is that a Lord Otter indicator? Yes, it is, buddy. Yes, it is. It's you disappear and World War III kicks off. Of course, man. Of course. Of course. Oh, man. Good times. I have a specific set of skills. I will find you. What's the saying we use in the Discord? I will find you, and I will vaccinate you. Oh, man. We're back. Thank you, Miss Anthropic. Thank you for being here. We're at the point of control. Sweet. Good morning. Time to get back into the daily routines. Good to see you, Cubanadian. Good to see you, man. How you doing? I missed you too, Jojo. Mojo Jojo. Mojo Jojo. My shirt was too long. Best superpower ever. Effort and consistency. Yeah. Consistency, yeah. Might rotate from 69 level and go down to, yeah, like we could take a look macro wise. We've got just acceptance back into the range, right? Like if we're just generally looking at this as a range and an accumulation, right? This is where we're at, right? POC, yeah, right? Cool. What do we have really? Like we have a range, we have a deviation above the range. So it's like, it's pretty simple if we just like break it down like this. So we have support, major liquidity is a concern, is that like if you go on any heat map, and I'm not a heat map guy, but I guarantee you if I pull up a heat map, this is all going to be like neon fucking liquidity. I guarantee it. Let's just look. Let's go. I think I have a liquidity heat map here. Here we go. Sorry if it blinds you. Flashbang warning. Let's go on to let's go on 6 months. Log in. Are you? This is why I ain't logging in. I guarantee you this is bright as F. Anybody else use that thing? Put a 1 in the chat if this is bright as F down here. I bet you it is. So we got all this liquidity down in here. We have a PO3 range deviation. I'm not, we can say accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? We could be those guys as well. The thing is that in here, we were prepared to come to 72 as a community. We were all ready for this. Okay, we were all ready for this in our Discord, which is the best Discord in all of crypto. Okay, we were all prepared for the squeeze to 72 in here. Okay, so that's the key. We know how to get to here as well with strategy. So now we have imbalance up here, which is the key target. But really it's this order block in here. If we're on a high term time frame, if we go like an 8 hour here, yeah, there we go. Right, if we go on an 8 hour, this 8 hour block would be our highest level of confluence alongside with our fib golden pocket area, which is right there. Okay. You don't need to be a rocket scientist to understand where we're looking for macro resistance. Top of the range. Okay. High, low, retracement, continuation, right? So generally, we are looking here, but we are here. So how do we get here is the question, right? So if we're looking at price action where we're at right now, well, we're on the 2 hour. We have bull divs. We have not fully mitigated the high, maybe on a shorter term time frame, but we're looking for this, right? Depending on how price action behaves. So it's all fine and dandy to be like, okay, we're looking to get here. How are we going to get here, and how are we going to take trade setups to get there, right? Especially in this choppy, volatile. Just look at the candles, guys. It's pretty obvious how nasty this thing has been. So prepared trader is a profitable trader. We have conflicting market cipher, right? So we have a 4 hour that's looking to push out. Okay, push out, strength. But we do have a bit of inward curvature here. Okay, then we look at our 2 hour. We have a trigger wave, which is red money flow trigger wave, typically bearish. Okay, same with our 1 hour. Okay, The 1 hour, though, has increasing money flow, which tells me that there's a potential for this thing to continue to push. Yet again, conflicting, right? So if this and that. So key levels, pullbacks, using, where our targets are, how we're going to get there, how we're going to trade it. For me, I would prefer to see this. Okay. However, everybody's bearish right now. So what does that mean? If we're going to be, sheep or not? I don't think you're all sheep. I think you're all smart. So we got to be contrarian to that. So maybe we push up and grab some liquidity first. Either way, we're ready. And that's important, right? Prepared trader is a profitable trader. We don't know jack, right? All we know is how to prepare. Look at that. Look at that. Garbage, man. Wow. Just pops, right? Look at that. Just pops, man. That's nasty. So our number one job is to protect our capital, right? That's it. I didn't even share this out to X this morning or to the Discord. My God, I'm not used to streaming anymore. I'll share it out. I guess I'll share it out for all the beautiful Nambe Pambes out there. I can hear my son getting up, and my wife makes me happy. Yeah, that's nasty, man. Sporadic push here. Let's see if it can continue to go here. See if oil rolls over. That'll be interesting. NASDAQ here. Rejection. SPY looking for that gap down and then up. ES is climbing up, so it might not get such a big gap down. So let's watch that this morning. 840. Thank you, everybody, for being here. It's actually 640 for me, and we sprung forward, so we lost some sleep as well, which is never great. Gotta hate this daylight savings thing, man. What's going on, Randy? Good to see you. How you doing, Misting Crypto in the chat? Love from India. It'll hit 73K today. That would be sweet, man. Nish. Abolish daylight savings. Yeah, they took our sleep. Like, that's ridiculous. What's going on? How you doing, Randy? Can we get some Randy Hippers in the chat? 230 people in here. 83 likes. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing up that like button for me, I would really appreciate it coming back. I think you're in a long meeting, Nadeem. You did not miss much, man. Just some very choppy, sporadic push here. See if it wants to continue to push. Yeah. Very weird, aggressive push up here. Short it? Not yet. Not yet. We're not ready to short it just yet. Let's see where we get to. Right through golden pocket here. 3 drives, SFP. Potential short. Big point of control right now, so choppy area. Price is very happy here. Price is very happy here. So for me, it's patience time. It's time to be patient. Retest continuation up. Looking strong. What a time to be in crypto, man. Choppy, choppy. If you are new here, welcome. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Making crypto honest again, the hardest job in all of crypto. However, we're here. We want Lord Otter indicator. It's so dark and I'm like, yeah, it's really dark here too. It's really dark here too. This is good follow through so far. Looking to sweep the high here. Very overextended. Solana with the big slap and continuation here. NASDAQ, sweep at the low. People want the Lord Otter oscillator. Oh man, we are flashing an otter symbol. I'm just saying. You guys don't know what the otter symbol means though. So it's like, how are you going to use it effectively? Let's just pretend we shorted the otter symbol, okay? And I'm going to go say good morning to my beautiful family. Is this going to be their first expensive coffee of the year? Of the year. Of. We'll see.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Oh wow. I don't think my son's used to me not, you know. My son's not used to me not being there in the morning now. He wants to play Tonka trucks. I'm like, sorry, son, we can't play Tonka trucks right now. Sorry. Are you guys all short? Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. What's going on, gang? Good to see you guys. Oh, man. Looks like an expensive coffee. Oh, man. Uh-oh. They're all short. And I missed it. Am I going to regret this? Guys, you guys are taking the trades without me. I'm a bit upset. I'm a bit upset now. Oh man. My first coffee trade. First day back, first trade. It doesn't get any better than that, does it? It doesn't. The indicator also has spoons on it, guys. Look at this one. All right. You get a spoon money bag. I can't tell you what they do, but I think you would like to short that there. The spoon feed. My algorithm. How about that for a spoon feed? Hey, look at that spoon. I'd say that it's a fucking great spoon, man. There's also splooshy water emojis. Okay. This one I think failed though. Yeah. Oh no, actually it did work for a long. It did work in here. Just saying. I can't tell you my secrets, so all I can say is that if you're short right now, congrats. Damn. Damn, Daniel. I bet the money bag is like an open long sort of indicator. It's not. It's not. No. It's not. It's the money bag is the most frequent one. However, look, nice money bag here. Long. Short. Short. You got to know when not to take the trade though. Short. Long. There's a spoon feed for you. Short. Short. I think it does a pretty good job. Just saying. I'm just saying. It can be yours for $5 billion. Oh, man. When do you think the full stack of the Otter Toolkit will be ready? I was in the Discord. I like the new indicator. Kitchen was Kitchen Wars, no sauce, but spoon is the main one. We'll see. That's not necessarily true. I mean, right now, this short, in my opinion, you're against trend right now. So if you're using my system that I've built for this thing, you should not be looking for shorts right now until you have certain criteria met. and you do not have that met. So if you're in the short right now, it's not financial advice ever here, but I would not be. I'd be waiting is what I would be doing. Trend is always going to be your friend. Reversals are always questionable. Okay, right? Like this obviously was a good signal here, but there's a lot going into this versus this one here. However, we'll see. We'll see. It's not to be it's not just like, oh, there's a signal, take the trade. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, it's not that kind of thing. You have to have some sort of knowledge. Otherwise, you're going to end up getting wrecked. I've done a lot of back testing on it over the past 10 days. And what's going on, Decent Crypto? Good to see you, bro. Traveling Studios. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, man. I don't see many people with the memberships in here anymore. I don't see many people with the memberships here anymore. It's not acceptable in my opinion. I guess we don't like calling lurkers out anymore. I guess we don't like it. So I guess I'm going to have to do it my damn self. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for your loyalty, for being here with me and hanging out. I do appreciate you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel, being part of the family, and God bless you all, man. God bless you all. Thank you for being here. I do appreciate you. Now, can we throw some otters in the chat, please? Rob the Crypto Snot, what's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. All you lurkers in the chat. Thank you, French Toaster. God bless you, bro. Gang, gang, gang. Let's flood this thing with gang signs, man. The only gang in crypto where you don't have to do anything too naughty to be in it. There's no like extreme qualifications to join a gang. You can join the best Discord in all of crypto. You can use the affiliate link provided. We just got an extension on the beautiful affiliate link with the Bitunix, my preferred exchange. If you guys want to use that, you get VIP for 6 months. I asked them, and they allowed me to sacrifice some of my commission so that you guys can get the best deal on Bitunix. Use the link pinned in the comments if you want to support the channel. I appreciate that. Okay. And thank you for being part of the family. If you want to take your trading further, I mean, the best Discord in all of crypto. 8 traders, signal setups, constant barrage. Even when I was on vacation, you get live streams, 3 live streams every day. Brewberry, Kyle. It's nonstop. Signals from HRJ, FJ, Insane in the Membrane Wave Cipher, Asia streams. It's a great community. 150 videos of me showing you how I trade, how I take the trades, why I take the trades, all that stuff. So consider joining that as well. But thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys. When's your birthday? March 18th, man. FOMC 1990. I'm turning 36. I'm crossing the line to 40, man. I'm crossing the line. I'm on the better half. Let's be positive about it. God bless you, everybody here. And thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you to the traders in the community who've stepped up while I've been away. Brewberry and Kyle and FJ and all of you guys. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out. I do appreciate you guys. Guten Morgen, gang, gang, gang. Let's go, man. Let's go. No diggity. Good to see you, Curbstar. Good morning. Good to see you as well, Alistair. Matt Jackson. Welcome. Thank you for being here. Yin Yang. We talk a lot of shit and we take trades. That's pretty much the stream, man. That's the stream. I show you the trades. I take the trades. No trades right now. Waiting for kind of waiting for market open. Overextended liquidity in the lows here. Looking for price to come into here. Looking for this. Looking for the sweep here. Looking for the sweep in here. This is a good squeeze. Also looking at 69,420, our beautiful Tony Soprano level. Point of control, macro point of control of this range. So expect chop. And prepare for market open. SPY, probably a gap down. The ES is still trying to recover here. You can't, it's not, double top in here. SPY started here, so probably a gap down this morning. So be prepared for that. We look at our beautiful US 100. Continuation up, V-shaped recovery coming into like our major buy zone for the US 100. This is just a major buy zone, so V-shaped recovery out of there. However, still a gap down, like big gap down, rollover, then continuation up, creating a lot of liquidity. So interested to see how we go this morning. Happy Monday, everybody. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Smashing up those like buttons. Subscribe if you are new. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till our beautiful 10:15. We go till 10:15. So if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that'd be cool. We're 209 subscribers away from 20,000. That would be pretty cool if we could do that by end of March. I would like that. Got 300 people in here, 124 likes. If you guys wouldn't mind smacking up that button. We've been away. And it does help, as much as it's gay to ask. On March 15th. Gang, let's go, Cubanadian. When is steak and a blowjob day? March 14th. That's the best day, man. Steak and a blowjob day. March 12th here. Let's go. Pisces in the house, man. Every Friday. Let's go. Let's go. I had a couple steaks on vacation. Considering I couldn't go to Mexico. Because cartel. So I was eating steaks and we went for dinner. You can't spend. We had a $6,000 vacation for me and my family, and Mexico happened, so we ended up having a staycation, and now here we are, right? So we ended up eating well and going out and, kind of spending a little bit more than we normally do. And then we're pretty frivolous, to be honest. We don't indulge too much, our family, but we try to spend more money than we normally do, which is okay. I mean, it's important you watch. We don't drink or party or anything like that. Small family. So it was good though. It was good to take the blinders off and take a deep breath, right? I think that was critical in this staycation. It's very important to take the blinders off and get back into reality and see what's important and what the priorities are. Helps me be better for myself, but the business as well. Everybody in the Discord helps me be more sharp. I had a positive January and a positive February, but they were both I was up 45,000 in January, and I ended up only keeping 21. So that was January, and then February I am up 10. February I made 17,000 for February. Okay, so we're up. I ended up giving up 5 of this at the end of my trading week. I was just getting a little frustrated, so I'm still up quite nicely. However, I felt like my trading was getting a little bit. I feel like I was over trading a lot. Everything started to look a little bit too much like setups all the time. So it was nice for me to step back and just reality check myself. $10% month is quite great still, Alex. Yeah, my birthday was last week, 1st of March. Happy belated birthday, Nadim. God bless, man. Only steaks. Yeah, that would be my OnlyFans. I just be charring steaks on the Barbie all day. March 12th, nice. 27th here. You're Aries then, March 27th, I think. I'm cusping. I'm a fish and an angry bull, so I don't know what the fuck that means, but for all those astrological signs here, you tell me. Bro, you're 22. You are meant to do this, to create wealth. Believe you stole it. Believe like you stole it. Thank you for your stream. I love it. Thank you for being here. Alistar Tang. I'm just going to call you Tang, man. Thank you for being here, Tang. God bless you. Jeanette, what's going on? I'm sorry you got to put up with me again, Jeanette. You've been putting up with me for 4 years now. OG Alex, good to see you. Thank you for being here. Gang. Let's go. So many March birthdays here. Yeah. It's pretty cool, man. Good morning, Diaz. Kodak. Who here is not a Pisces / Aries? I'm Aries too. There we go. That's wild. That means that all of our parents were banging in the summer. That's all that means. There's so many, like my unintentionally, a lot of kids are born in September. You ever notice that? It's because everybody's having New Year's and Christmas freaky, right? So our son is born in August, and it wasn't intentional. Like, he is a lion, though. Think about this. My son is a Leo and a dragon, man. He can't get any more gangster than that. He's a Leo and a dragon. You're the dragon and a lion. Come on, man. That's wild. I think that's pretty cool. That's quite a combo. I'm a horse and a fish bull. I'm a horse and a fish bowl. Aries, Pisces. And I'm a steel horse. On a steel horse I ride. It's the year of the horse this year, guys. Is it Fire Horse? So hopefully we run this price up into the hundreds of thousands here. Double top here. Little otter sign. Warning. We got 20 minutes till market opens here. NASDAQ, a little pushback, retracement, continuation down. Solana. Doji engulfing, continuation trade. Look at the... this indicator also has the doji engulfing continuation trades. Look at that. It tells you when to buy it. I would say that this was a pretty good doji engulfing candle. Just saying. Doji engulfing to the downside. Hanging man engulfing candle. Hanging man engulfing candle. Buy. Anyways. Three drives. Looking for the SFP here. I want to see liquidity taken. Mainly out of this high here. Let me just throw that on the chart and this one on the chart. Looking for a sweep and dump. We'll see if we get it this morning. No trades so far, just chilling. Thank you everybody for being here and hanging out. 300 people in here, 135 likes. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing up that like button, subscribe if you're new. We're back, baby. I need you guys to pump that algorithm for me. I really appreciate it. I learned so much from you. Thank you for being here, man. Tang, the man. I'm taking a 10K short. I think we wait here. To me, the job hasn't been done yet, right? What's the job? The job is the liquidity in the highs, right? So we have liquidity, right? Still a string of higher lows, so it's not something for me to fade just yet. Like if we mitigated this low, if we came down and took the low here, then we could be looking for more of a short here. But I want to see violence. I need to see some sort of job done here, and then we can look to possibly jump on that short. Until then, we wait. There's no reason to be too hasty. It's the last thing I want to do coming back. Yeah, we could go all the way back down to our previous day low. We didn't take our previous day low. We have taken our high, so we're in the area where we're looking for shorts generally. Overextended to the upside here. And pretty overextended from VWAP. I mean, VWAP slap here, VWAP front run here, continuation into resistance. We'll see where we get to. I think I was meant to change these colors. Yeah, they were all supposed to be green. Because they get in the way of my other. Yeah, here's that follow through now. Liquidity being grabbed now. Nice sweep. Considering a short, no short yet. Nice push here. NASDAQ holding the lows, pushing up. Same with Bitcoin here. Good push. That high has been taken that I wanted to see now. Solana flying. Doji engulfing continuation here. Good strength here. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long, guys. I gotta see this. Are you guys long? Like Donkey Kong? I wish there was more. I mean, I'm not gonna get up at 4 a.m. to take this long. Full TP hit. Thank you, Solana. Good job. 111s. Ones in the chats. Short. Good job, everybody. Yeah, the long was further down here, right? Like, yeah, now we're a bit overextended. Not cooling off yet, but Solana slap, continuation trade, Doji engulfing, continuation long here, looking good. The DAC is consolidating. This is Shortville, but I'm hesitant to jump into a short just yet. We still got another high here that we could possibly take at 68, 68.7. We just get a continuation trade here, retest of highs and flying. So it's I think it's a little bit risky to jump into any sort of balls to the wall short here. Yeah, this is continuation money flow crossover. Looks strong. Nice push here. 310 people here. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. Good fun, man. Good fun. Discord live today. We're back full on, man. Let's go. Discord live today. Live trading in the Discord. Setups. Good fun. All the traders. Spoon feeding galore, man. It's a good time. Grateful to be part of it. There were so many times where I wanted to take trades, but the vacation was important to not take the trade. It was very important. Acceptance back down below into the range would be nice. That would mean we come back down to 68,300. Halfway down the candle retracement, continuation. Solana still looking strong. We got 4 drives up here. Yeah. Yeah. No touchy. Still waiting. We starting earlier? Do you guys already have some daylight savings bullshit going on? Yeah, we sprung forward, Tony. We sprung forward. Good times, man. Good morning, Jaya. Good to see you, Brilo. Smash the like, he says. Tony Soprano. You guys are long, short. Okay. Moon this biatch, says Dusty. Moon it for Dusty, man. Come on. No trades right now for me. Showing the trades, taking the trades. Still waiting here. Thank you guys for subscribing and hanging out here. So top-down analysis, we've gone over it a little bit, but we can refresh it a bit. Really, we're in a range, right? We're in a range. We're accumulating here. The idea this morning is very simple. We've swept down with the open of the NASDAQ this morning, and we're looking to push up into the imbalance up here. Okay, big fair value gap imbalance. So this would be the target. This order block is the key resistance level golden pocket area that I'm interested in. Just looking at that, right? So for me, it's how do we get here, right? Right now, you can see we got the bull div in here. So typically with a bull div, you'd have a retracement continuation. So we can look for shorts here to come back into this area down below here and look for that firing off to the upside. But to be met with, resistance in here. So where are we going? Well, we're range bound. We're at the point of control. Here's our range very simply, right? So if we're trying to hold here, right, we can look at a couple of ideas, but we understand there is my accuracy with my magnets off now because I, taken all this time off, but we can look for this thing to hold here. We do have a deviation above the range. If we're looking at this as a range, there would be our range. So any sort of deviations below are welcomed, right? That's where we're looking for longs and shorts, macro-wise. So for me, I would love to see something like this, right? Even if this is deeper, right? Take this low here. That would be cool. That would be ideal. However, this could still very much, be our hopium pump, and then down we go, right? If we look at our previous run, it's almost eerily similar. I think a lot of people have been sharing this over on the Twitterverse. Okay, but if we look at this in here from our last bear market and we pull this over, Okay, when we look at this, it's very, very similar, guys, where we have this kind of pump up here, right? So let's not be fooled, right? Let's not be fooled that we are in a macro downtrend, right? And things aren't looking the greatest. That's the gist of this, right? Is this where we roll over, right? It's not for me to decide, but we need to be aware of this, right? We don't want to get in the way of the freight train if it's going to happen. So be aware. However, market cipher right now, it's 4 hour looks good, trying to push out, but the 1 and the 2 hour look like it could dump on our heads. Okay, for me, it's understanding that, hey, we're looking okay, but like the 2 hour, if it fails to continue here, I'm most likely looking for this to rotate down, red money flow here, right? Our daily trigger wave to the downside is trying to find some sort of support here, right? So can this be a continuation trade here? Absolutely, but very well aware of that. Now, also what we have to be aware of is basically all the data coming out this week, right? Like today's pretty chill, but we go into the later end of the week and, you know, we're getting data thrown in our face, right? Core inflation, GDP, you know, core PCE. So it's going to be an interesting one. So we need to be prepared for that as well. So buy low, sell high, but wartime volatility, extreme volatility, patience, right? Is going to help us navigate these charts the best, right? 12-hour trigger wave to the upside looking to play out coming into today into tomorrow. So we'll see if that wants to today, Junior. We'll see if that wants to continue as well. 8-hour trigger wave to the upside, 4-hour double bottom, then the 2-hour trigger wave to the downside, the 1 hour bouncing off the zero line, but still a threat to come down. Money flow looks okay here, but still a threat to come down. So mixed signals. There's our SFP retracement now, coming back within the range. I know some of you guys shorted up here, so GG's. Make sure you guys are paying yourselves. Coming into market open, we got 10 minutes. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. God bless you guys. Job's been done. Sweep of the high, rotation down. Island man, what's going on? Good to see you. Tony Soprano. Tony, you trying at the indicator or what, bro? Have you done any back testing for me yet? I owe you $100 too, man. Tony's getting paid to put up with my ass for this long. I don't know how you do it either, man. God bless you, bro. What's the best exchange in your opinion? I like Bitunix. That's what I use. Bitunix. I have a MexC as well, which I don't use that much. I have a BYDFI, which is like my swing trading app. It's BYDFI. All links down below, but Bitunix is the best deal, best liquidity, best fees, best deposit bonuses, exclusive deal. So that's the one I would suggest using. You can use my link or someone else's link. I'm not here to hold you hostage. You can do whatever the hell you want. I don't need your fees. I'm gonna send you my address in case. Yeah, I sent one of our members $1,000 by accident when I was doing payroll. Good times, man. Good times. Idiot. Good morning, Jaya. Good morning, everybody. If you are new here, welcome. The only thing I ask is really you say good morning. WeX has scam Wix like crazy. I would never touch WeX. I've seen WeX with scam Wix like it's like a regular Wick on everything else, and then there's WeX like this. So yeah, I would not use WeX. That's just my opinion. What's going on, Bogo? Missed you, Dallas. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Yeah, it's the only thing I ask, man. Don't be weirdo on your wanking chariot sitting there clicking buttons and not saying good morning, man. Don't be that guy in the office. We're all here to work, make money, navigate the charts together. It's not easy. Don't be that guy with like the pocket protector sitting in the corner, sucking off the boss. Alex is at his desk looking at a Playboy magazine. He's not working today. Don't be that guy, man. Just come in and say good morning. What's up? Hope you're doing well. How's your weekend? Just don't be, that namby-pamby wanking chariot weirdo. Don't need you here. You guys can go and watch someone else. I'll be okay. Just don't be weird, please. That was a good short, eh? Holy smokes. Rotation down here. Rotation down. Looking to come back to imbalance. Let's see. Swing low to swing high. Golden pocket. Order block here. Yeah. We'll see. I'm already talking so much smack, and I've only been back for 2 hours. Oh man. Throw this pocket protector. Let's go. Be the guy with the Playboy mag, yeah. Hand them out, man. My exchange is horrible. Fees are killing me. UK, yeah. VPN's your best bet, Jojo. I mean, it's non-KYC, Bitunix. Just use a VPN. Some are here to learn, some are not, yeah. Cape Town Cycle Tour. Cool, man. Congratulations, man. Is that grape smuggling? When I say grape smuggling, it just looks like, all those people and like, to me, cycle tour, like, oh, did you wear one of these? This to me looks like a bunch of grape smugglers, man. Like, you're just smuggling grapes. That's all you're doing here. You're smuggling grapes, man. You're all looking at this guy's package, comparing it to his package. This is just smuggling grapes, in my opinion. I don't know about you guys, but you know what we got here? There's that, but then there's like the gay version of that in Canada. You got these guys. Guys, this is how, honestly, this is so. I've seen groups in front of my house. I've seen groups of these people. Okay. Cross-country skiing on pavement. Guys, I've never seen this until I moved here. I live in the mountains. You got these guys cross-country skiing on the pavement. They're wearing like the full Tour de France getup and everything. And they're all skiing on the pavement. This it's the gayest shit I've ever seen, man. Whatever happened to a bicycle, man? Welcome to this price action. This is nasty, man. Nice push here. Wow. This is the kind of price action you guys been dealing with the last 2 weeks? You guys are better people than me. This is effed up, man. That's effed up. All right, Valhalla. We're going to Valhalla today, guys. Right into market open, 2.5 minutes. No trades. Still waiting here. You're down $2,000 shorting that? Well, like we said, there's no reason to take the short until we have confirmed structure to the downside, especially in environment. What's going on, Lucky Deal? Good to see you. Happy you're back and hope you had a fulfilling vacation. It was good, man. It was good. Thank you for asking. Overcome, good to see you. Always loved to dump at work. Yeah. We used to call it $20 shits when we got double time. As a carpenter, we used to go and take in $20 shits. Because you're on double bubble, man. Double bubble $20 shits, we used to call it. Oil had a crazy ride. Yeah, oil is sub 100 now. We'll see. NASDAQ chop. SPY gap down expectations. We'll see. Coming into market open. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 340 people in here. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. Smacking up the like button, supporting this channel. You guys are great. You guys are great, man. Too blessed to be stressed. Solana ripping. 1 minute. Uno minute. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long and you're bullish. Put a 2 in the chat if you're not short, but you're wanting to short. Time to update your resume. Nah, man. Stay close, manage risk, high probability trade setups, be patient. That's what we're here to do. Patience. Being effed up. What are they, smuggling clams? Yeah, man. But trend were clear? Yeah, trend was clear. That's muscle smuggling. I love this community, man. All right, we're all looking for shorts. We're squeezing right now, guys. Imbalance is up here at 70,000. Market is open. Let's go, baby. Big gap down for the SPY. Big gap down. Where's this candle? Google alert coming off. There we go. Here's our gap. Big gap down for the S&P, trying to recover here. We'll see how it opens. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. NASDAQ pushing up, looking for continuation. Solana breakout, continuation, retest. Can it keep going? We'll see. Bitcoin pushing, very overextended. However, looking strong. Pullbacks are potentially for longing. No trades so far. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Gang, 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 baby. Big rollover here for the SPY. We'll see if it does want to push back. We'll see. We'll see. Nice push so far. Solana retracing, retesting highs. Bitcoin continuing to climb here. Okay. Continuing to climb. Pushing up for the day. Price discovery for the day. We'll see. NASDAQ, SFP of the high, coming in, filling up this gap a little bit more. Okay, SFP of the high, rotation possibly back down. SPY looking weak still. Bitcoin continuing to climb. Solana continuing to climb. Still waiting here, everybody. Thank you for being on the live. Smacking up the like button, subscribing if you're new. 350, 60 people here hanging out. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, man. Continuation here. A little bit of a rejection. SPY rolling over. Not so pretty. NASDAQ still showing a bit of strength. Might come back and fill from last night. Fill and then we'll see. SFP though. Warning signs. Bitcoin. Pretty flat right now. Still waiting here. Nice continuation here for Biddy, Solana, SPY. Trying to hold on here, down 1% to start the day. Very flat open. Oil battling 100 levels. Bitcoin looking to follow through. Coming up into our next resistance level for Biddy. Major resistance 69,420. Looking to sweep this area here. Nice push for Bitcoin. No follow through so far. 360 people on the live. If we could get 30 more likes, I'd really appreciate it. Try to get to 200 today. Thank you for having me back and hanging out here. Subscribe if you're new. We're here live every morning, taking trades, showing trades. Will we come down? That's the question. Okay, low retracement here. Still waiting. Topping out. Four-hour oversold. Yeah. I mean, big momentum here for Bitcoin. Quite the squeeze. What's going on, Shamitra? It's good to see you. How you been? We're all looking for shorts, but this is just squeezing right now, so don't want to get in front of the train. Want confirmation for the shorts. Still waiting here. Pushing into our resistance level now. Nice retest follow through for Solana. Spiraling over. NASDAQ holding. Good push here for Bitcoin. Continuing to climb. Overextended level. Standard deviation 2.5. No trade right now. Still waiting. If we're taking a trade here, it's going to be a short. I just don't want to get in the way of this just yet. First resistance level. Solana still looks quite strong. NASDAQ still potential for a push. Still potential for a push here on NASDAQ, which would translate to Bitcoin going up as well. Bitcoin climbing still. Yep. Continuation here. Retest into here. Continuation up. Big imbalance down here. So this is pushed up a little bit aggressively here. Big imbalance down here. NASDAQ showing a little bit of weakness. Two minutes, 2.5 minutes on this candle for Doji engulfing. Could be considering a short here. Still waiting. A little bit of patience. A little bit of patience. NASDAQ rotation down. SPY's dumping quite hard here. Nasty, man. This is nasty for the SPY. Bitcoin trying to hold on here. If we go to 1 minute, we can see like just consolidating at the top here. Just very toppy structure up here. So, patience. Yeah, Solana could come back and retest these highs and continue up still. So no shorts just yet. Still waiting. Short 69,420. That's our Tony Soprano level, man. That's the one. We'll see. See if we get there. My issue right now is price action, right? Chop, 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 pop, chop, 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 pop, pop, right? So it's we typically need confirmation. It's just a lot of uncertainty. You can tell by the way the price is moving. This is not good. Yeah, it's pretty ugly for oil's increasing. Bitcoin. Toppy. I want a short here, but I don't know if it's ready yet. And if I don't know, you don't take the trade, right? We wait. NASDAQ continues to roll over. Higher lows still intact here. Continuation up for NASDAQ. Bitcoin still looking to push. Right? We wait. No engulfing candle there. That's why we wait for the candle confirmation here. Halfway up the candle, retracement down. Still waiting here. NASDAQ, SPY, Bitcoin. No trade yet. Still waiting. I'd like to see a pushback, retrace, continuation down here. Solana, wick test, continuation down as well. The S&P is getting rocked, man. It's getting rocked. People are selling off hard. Are you going to enter short soon? Not yet, man. Not yet. Not chop at the top. I'm not touching it, right? I want confirmation. What's going on, D Jenny? Good to see you, bro. Thank you for I'm loving your shorts. Great mindset and reminders to hear every day. Thank you for being part of the family and watching the channel, man. So if I don't know, we don't take the trade, right? Exactly. Well, that's up to you. This is never financial advice. The orb range is going to be so small, yeah. It's going to be so small. The VWAP's pointing straight up. It's pretty vertical, yeah. What's going on with the new indicator? Looks beavery. I mean, it's something. Pig nipples on market cipher. This is brutal, man. What do we got here? Tesla down 2%. Amazon down 2%. Meta down 2%. Yikes. Bitcoin holding. Solana holding. NASDAQ looking to rotate down. Still holding as well this range. So no trade here. Still waiting. Thank you guys for smacking up that like button. 363 people here. God bless you guys. Good times. Like, this looks like continuation, right? Like, for me, this is not where we short. We're overextended to the upside, but this is continuation, right? Like, you have grind up, little liquidity grab, push up, little liquidity grab. Now we're consolidating here. Typically looking for this. Doji engulfing continuation trade. But we know, like, generally we're looking for topping structure in here. We're looking for this. So our job is to wait at the highs. Unfortunately. The long was down here at VWAP or down here at VWAP. Continuation up here, looking to push. NASDAQ sweeping the lows, coming right back down, sweeping the lows, looking for continuation. Oil rolling over, which is a good sign. SPY continuing to die. Target for SPY is 66.34, so looking for us to come into here. Bitcoin continuing to go up. Nice push. Nice push. Bullish momentum, continuation trade. Up only. Higher highs, higher lows. Trying to sweep this high right here at 69. 69,000 hit. Nice push continuation here. Trapping shorts, in my opinion. Still waiting here. Big climb. Nice push here. Long's getting paid today, baby. Little bounce from the SPY. It's a good sign of strength. Still waiting here. We need 7 more likes, guys. I think we can do it. 7 more likes from you beautiful, gorgeous, sexy, utterly fantastic people. Thank you for being here. Lunar Beaches, what's going on, bro? How you doing, LBC? And the place to be, man. Doji engulfing in the African desert. Anybody? If you know, you know. 3 yellow raisins. We all know about that one, too. These are the candle patterns we trade here. We trade hot dogs, stiletto patterns, pink boxes. No reason to take this. Continuation up, grinding up, squeezing, squeezing, squeezing. Weekend shorts. Coming up to our key resistance level at 69,420, baby. Let's go. 69,420's in the chat. Thank you for the 10, LBC. God bless you, bro. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Happy Monday, man. Any lurkers in here? Lurker. 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 Lurker, man. All these guys don't say good morning. Lurker, 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 man. Lots of lurkers in here. Balloon dogs. We trade balloon dogs, too. 69,420. Just say good morning, guys. Don't be a lurker hanging out in your wanking chariot. Good to see you, Jay. Good to see you, No Diggity. Good to see you, Justin Verse. I know the ones who say good morning, man. Sweep and go. Sweep and go. Continuation here. Wick test. Continuation long. Good strength here. Nothing to fade. Nothing to fade. Just to grind up. Be prepared for the sweep, though. Be prepared for something like this. Right? That's what we want to buy if we're going to long here. If we're going to long here. Halfway down the candle, continuation trade here. It's not worth the squeeze, in my opinion. What are we looking for? 0.5% move here? I mean, we could do it. It's not how I really want to start my my adventures back into trading here. Perfect retest of previous highs, continuation up. Solana continuing to grind up, coming into key resistance here at 86. NASDAQ sweeping the lows, completely grabbing liquidity. This is bullish. If the NASDAQ can push from here, it's bullish. The SPY continues to bleed out. Bitcoin continuing to push up. Nice push. Nice push. We'll see. Can we get follow through? Retest continuation. Still waiting here, looking for shorts. Solana flying. NQ, SFP bounce. This is nice. We should be trading the NASDAQ today. That was long all day. That's the long all day on the NASDAQ. Ray Orbison. Ray Orbison. Not that big of an orb today. What do we got? 1%? Not even. We'll see. Okay. Very overextended. Continuation up. Higher highs, higher lows, all the way up. Valhalla. Thank you guys for getting those likes above 200. I do appreciate you guys. 400 people in here hanging out. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out. Still waiting. No trades. Just a small, like, slow grind up is something that, you know, I'm very cautious to before trying to jump into this. Like, now we're looking for topping structure. This is continuation trades here. Hanging man engulfing candle. This could be the short here. We're going to front run 69,420. Pretty wild. Front run 69,420. Who is Ray Orbison? I don't know, man. Extended as, yeah, doesn't mean it can go high, cannot go higher. Exactly, right? Don't get in front of the train, right? Like, I mean, we want to ride the lazy river. The lazy river is flowing up right now, right? So we wait. This is an order block retest continuation trade. Not for me because we're overextended. Okay? This is a general trading setup that I do take. But not for me because why? Overextended. What's going on, Harp? Good to see you, man. How about those Leafs, bro? Selling off, bro. No diggity, no problem. Wayne, what kind of sandwich, man? It's been 10 days. It's been 10 days. Wayne, what kind of sandwich? We got a tuna sandwich. How about a ham and cheese? Did you know that they're banning? You're not allowed to bring ham to school in Canada anymore? Isn't that crazy? Can you believe that? Good to see you, Holly. Uh-oh, we're flashing a pink box, guys. Pink box. Otters. Pink box and otters, man, for the short. No ham in schools. Cause just saying. I mean, just saying. Coronation chicken salad. It's nice. I've gone off ham. Wayne, that sounds good, man. That sounds good. I made a giant batch of pasta last night. I made like four full servings for dinner for us. I did a big old Italian pasta sauce. I thought Canada was a free country. Yeah, right. Maybe in like 2002. Ray Orb is in. How can Canada ban Canadian bacon? I don't know. I don't know, Dave. NASDAQ rolling over. SPY rolling over. Okay. weakness, but don't fade this uptrend. Don't fade the uptrend. Top of the orb short. I don't want to get in the way of this thing, though. Indecision. Indecision. Oil. Not ready, in my opinion. Bunch of warning signs. Pink box flashing here. Wick test. Perfect wick test continuation down here. Still waiting, 9:53. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Lower orb retest. See, no printing of the pink box. We didn't get the pink box confirmation here. Gotta wait for confirmation. Another SFP for the NASDAQ. It's very choppy, guys. You guys didn't tell me it was this choppy, man. I've been away for 10 days and... Jeez. Almost glad I didn't trade last week. Like, this is just... This brutal. You guys didn't warn me. No, none of you guys messaged me and be like, Alex, it's so choppy. Good morning, Nick. Good to see you, man. Fake news, no banning ham. What's the pink box? It's the only pink box in the entire world, Chris, that actually pays you. There's a couple of them. That's how I would describe it. And sometimes you get 2 pink boxes in one day. But it's very rare, and you could end up in trouble. If you get like 2 pink... This gets me every time. Sometimes you get 2 pink boxes in one day, but you can get into trouble when you're trying to take the pink box twice in one day. So we always advise to be cautious if you get a second pink box to always always cautious with 2 pink boxes in one day, guys. What in your pasta sauce, and do you make your own noodles? I definitely don't make my own noodles, but my recipe is from my bisnonna, my great grandmother. So I just follow her recipe, and you cannot have it. Second pink box is never as strong as the first. Is this a covert operative thing? No, man. We don't hide anything here, bro. It's pink box is a high confluence zone. Okay, it's our highest confluence zone on the chart. It's where we're looking for possible swing key shorts. Okay, on the indicator, it's a different story. Yeah, I it's not time for me to explain the indicator yet. We're not there yet. Chop at the top, no touchy. Still waiting here. Continuation up. That's what I see for now. Spy's trying to find support. NASDAQ's trying to find support. You guys didn't warn me it was this ugly out here. I'm pretty upset with the community. You guys should have been like, Alex, you gotta be patient here, buddy. Set up from one of our traders in the Discord. WaveCypher for giving the long. Good job, buddy. TP1 hit. Stop loss below the 45-minute low. Nice. Join the Discord. Best Discord in all of crypto, man. 8 traders, spoon feeding all day long. Lots of spoons, man. Spoons for everybody. Spoons for me. Spoons for you. We all like to eat. We're all starving. All right, continuation here. Damn, I didn't expect this kind of... We started here, retrace down, continuation up. Yeah. Solana into resistance. Chop at the top. NASDAQ, chop. SPY, dump. Trying to hold support here. If we get like higher highs and higher lows out of the S&P, then cool. But, nasty, nasty, nasty. However, Bitcoin proving resilient here. WaveCypher is a great trader, yeah. Alex, you have been patient out here. It's choppy. Sorry. An hour late. Good to see you, Mac. How you doing, bro? Thank you for coming through, man. It's we all lost that hour of sleep. I was so looking forward to an extra hour of sleep. But here we are. Here we are. Django, good to see you, man. Good to see you, man. How you been? Well, it looks like you guys have all survived without me, which is my job. So I'm glad you guys have done well. If you're break even or wrecked or down, I'm here to help. Thank you for being here. We're live every morning, hopefully helping you guys navigate the charts. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest. Again, no trades today so far. I planned on coming in here and being patient and letting the market kind of come to me. I really did want to see how the price action is materializing today. It's been more of like a getting back on the horse. Because if Jack helped me on the horse, would you help Jack off the horse? You tell me. Put a 1 in the chat if you would help Jack off the horse. No? Too soon? Too soon? Probably too soon. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show. Talking shit, taking trades, having fun. God bless you guys. You'd push Jack off the horse. Interesting. Was joking about stealing your hour. Yeah. Oh, man. Wild. You're good at parlaying and trading? Well, whichever one you make more money off of, Banana, that's the one you stick with then. Or whenever you get bad at one, just rotate to the other one. This is shite. This is shite this morning. Not interested at all. Not up here. Up here, okay. If we get up here and we start getting topping structure up here, I'm interested. Otherwise, this is just ugly chop continuation the whole way up. We could look for orb breakout, retest, continuation trade, but we're very overextended, so this is a very risky trade up here. Higher highs, higher lows, continuation though. Doji engulfing, continuation trade here. NASDAQ pushing back. SPY pushing back. So this is the hopium now. If the SPY starts to rip, guys, we jump long. Very simple. Doji engulfing. Continuation trade here. Sweep of the high. Sweep of the high short. SPY's pushing back. NASDAQ pushing back. Strength, 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 guys. SF swing failure pattern closing back within the range. Continuation trade up. Not worth the squeeze up here, guys. This is still 0.5% move. It's not bad. I prefer shorts here. Orb retest continuation down, possibility, but no mitigation of the lows. Strength on the SPY pushing back in. It's not something I'm looking to short right now. NASDAQ continues to push up as well. Retest down the candle. Continuation up. Volatile. No trade. Still waiting. 10:04. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I'm surprised I haven't taken a trade today. Really hasn't been a lot. Really hasn't been too many. I mean, it was the continuation trade this morning. Was the long, but even then, it's still quite shite. What are we up to? Almost 2% here. Bitcoin overextended, up 4% today. It's a nice pushback for Biddy, going from 67 all the way up to 69. Solana as well, holding the lows here. Continuation, 3%. Nice move. Good times. Can it hold? Major resistance up here, so we'll see. Big rejection on SPY. Lower orb retest. Solana rolling over. Imbalance down below here, 84.5. Bitcoin holding lower orb. Downtrending momentum, rotation down. NASDAQ, big spike up, rotation down. Big engulfing candle here on Bitcoin. Retest to previous lows, continuation down. Considering a short here. NASDAQ, big rejection. SPY as well. Pink box flashing. Solana rotation down. SPY rotation down. Little bounce here on the S&P. I'm going to get short here. I'm short. TP1 hit. On Solana. I'm short on Solana. Solana's more overextended here. Look for rotation back down to this red line here. Up 140. See if we can rotate down here. Weakness on SPY, weakness on Biddy. I'll take that off there. Up $200. Stop loss at entry. See if we can rotate down. Welcome back, baby. Let's go. Otter gang, gang, gang. Clear weakness. Patience, patience, patience. The wick test is really what sold it to me here, guys. You can see the wick test was absolutely perfect here. Shout out to Trades by Matt. Perfect wick test. Weakness, weakness, weakness. So I took it on the candle close down here. Just looking for follow through continuation. See if we can rotate down. Imbalance target down below here. I'm not sure if we either we drop or we don't, right? Like that's why I've taken profits so early. Just a nice easy little trade to start the week off, right? You can see the weakness here on Bitcoin coming down to orb, okay? You also had a wick test here on Biddy. Didn't hit perfectly, so you would see low to low. Okay, very quick scalpy move here, right? So low to high here, right? So that wick test, retest, continuation down. You can see the rotation here on the oscillator. Flashing pink box, otter symbol here. If you know, you know. What you don't, nobody really knows except for a couple of people. There we go. Gonna get stopped out here in profits. $200 realized. You know what? I wanted that full 200. I'm gonna not be a dick for a tick here. I'll take that off there. Happy days. Starting the week off right. Starting my vacation back correctly. Base hit. Easy trade. Continuation. Stress-free. Very low risk. Rotation down. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. And we'll see if we can rotate. What we want to see for this is rotation down. We want to see the orb lost. So orb lost, and then continue. We can take another short, right? The only issue with right here now is that we have obviously this big candle here. So we would typically look for the retrace continuation down. But the wick test was the tell on Solana, right? And you can see how well. If I had entered confidently at the wick test, which is right here, right? Look at that trade, guys. Right, that's the wick test entry, is right here. Literally right here, right? So if you know what you're looking for, that would have been the setup. Pink box confirmation. Rotation down. This is a nice short here. We knew we were overextended. It's just how do we enter? We see the weakness. We see the sweep on the SPY, right? The sweep on the SPY, the sweep on the NASDAQ. Right? So it's like, hello, no way. Buyers are failing here. This is a failure, right? This is a failure. This is chop solidation, trapping liquidity at the highs. Doesn't mean that this can't, do this. Of course it can. But we see imbalance here. We see consolidation here. We're looking for the tell, What's the tell? Rotation, rolling over, pink box, otters, money bags, wick test trade setup, strategy, execution. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show. Welcome back, baby. Another day, man. Happy Monday, everybody. God bless you guys. Hopefully you all had a wonderful stream. I have. Discord live today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless you guys. I'm going to send you over to Trades by Matt, I think. So stay in here. Go throw some otters in his chat. God bless you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chip's low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.